Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the frequently asked questions regarding calendar synchronization in the Flighty application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the settings button. And if you scroll down at the more section, click on the help and feedback button. And at the quick answers section, click on the calendar FAQ button. So as you can see here, you can learn everything about calendar synchronization and how it works and what you can do with it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.